That's my favorite girl. You know I fuck with you for real. That's my favorite girl. That's my favorite girl. That's my favorite girl. No, a nigga for real. That's my favorite girl. She be going with a move. Every time a nigga call her, she let a nigga come through. That's my favorite girl. She be going with a move. Every time a nigga call her, she let a nigga come through. She be going with a move. She be going with a move.
Straight family, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Trying to prepare our meal for the night. You heard me? Look, I got some pig feet and some turkey wings that I'm balling. I bought some corn and I bought some potatoes, y'all. First of all, you gotta wash all your meat off.
We got chef on trip.
You know, wash your meat off. Pretty decent. You know. Start placing your food up in there. And by the way, y'all, we divide our food because I like spicy food. She don't, you know. So we divide our food, y'all. Sorry.
He loves boiled food, y'all. I eat it too, but not like the way he eats.
Put your little spices in there. Mine is spicy, so I like to put it, you know, season stuff. Put your little onions in there, you know what I'm saying? Put your onions. Put a little flavor. Then go ahead and chop it up, you know what I'm saying? And herbs, you know. I don't really put too much seasoning in the herbs right now. Just let it
I can't have spicy,
You
y'all.
can't have nothing spicy, y'all. She has a baby, so.
Yep.
But y'all see when they come out, it's gonna be really delicious. So stay tuned when they come out.
How long is that gonna? An hour?
I'm gonna give it an hour and a half.
Yeah, cause it's
Cause it
boiled
gotta
food.
fall. So, y'all, it's gonna be good, y'all.
Yeah.
So stay tuned with us, you hear me?
Yeah.
Real talk. And guess what? God, you need a chef. Come to Chef Entree, aka Lil Two.
He do everything, y'all.
I'm everything. I'm a firefighter. I'm a grass cutter. I'm a policeman. Anything she need me to be, I'm that.
He do everything, y'all.
For real, y'all. So stay tuned with us throughout the day.
Yeah.
We be back. Hey, family, look, my meal tonight, I told y'all it's gonna be really delicious, you heard me? You know what I'm saying? So we about to enjoy this food, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I prepared it, you know, for baby, you heard me? She felt like eating some ball food, so that's what I do. Whatever she requests, that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned with us, you hear me? A lot more to come. We out.